How to fix red light on TP-Link Wi-Fi router. First, restart your modem and TP-Link router. Unplug your modem and router. Wait about 1 minute, power the modem back on, wait for it to reconnect, and then power the TP-Link router back on. Give everything a few minutes to establish the connection again. If the red internet light disappears, the problem was likely a temporary connection issue. Step 2. Check the internet or WAN cable. Check the Ethernet cable running from your modem to the TP-Link. Unplug and firmly reconnect both ends. If possible, test another Ethernet cable. TP-Link specifically recommends replacing the WAN cable with a known good Cat5e or better cable when troubleshooting this type of connection problem. Step 3. Check whether your modem or ISP has internet. The router might not actually be the problem. If your setup allows it, disconnect the TP-Link router and connect the computer directly to the modem using Ethernet. If there's still no internet, TP-Link says the problem is likely with the modem or your ISP rather than the router. If the modem works normally, reconnect the TP-Link router and continue. Step 4. Check the router's internet settings. Connect the TP-Link router and open its management interface or the TP-Link Tether app. Check Advanced, Status, and then Internet. If the router's internet IP address shows 4 zeros, TP-Link says the router isn't updating an internet IP address from the upstream connection. Also, make sure the internet connection type is correct for your ISP, such as Dynamic IP, triple PoE. Triple PoE connections require the username and password supplied by the ISP. Step 5. Update firmware and reset the router. Check whether a firmware update is available for your exact TP-Link model and hardware version. TP-Link recommends current firmware when troubleshooting connectivity problems. If nothing else works, you can factory reset the router. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.